Hello everybody, KG here, founder of the Internet Money Crypto Wallet on Android, iOS, and Chrome. Today, I have a short but exciting video as we are very appreciative and want to extend our gratitude to our community developers. And in today's video, we want to highlight and celebrate an individual who added a new feature to the Internet Money Wallet on Chrome. If you don't know, Internet Money is open source. That means anyone out there can view our code and contribute to the Internet Money codebase. So if you have a feature that you would like to see, while we are always building and adding new features, you yourself can contribute to the Internet Money ecosystem by writing code, submitting it to our GitLab repository. Our team will review it, and if all looks good, it will get merged in. With a major shout out to a community developer, Dan Hepworth. We appreciate you greatly. Let's jump right into it.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. This internet money. This internet money.
Here we are on our Chrome extension. This new feature is turned off by default, so I'm going to show you quickly how to turn it on. From the home screen, go to Settings, Theme, and you will see Transaction Animation. Select On. Now let's check out the feature. From my account, I'm going to send crypto from my account 1 to my account 2. Now, it doesn't matter if you're sending to an external address, you're transferring between accounts. This is going to apply to any time you send crypto assets. Click Next. I'm going to send $1. Next. And I'm going to click to send. So you can see there's now a confetti animation and a sound when you send crypto. Now this confetti will change based on what blockchain you're on, as well as based on how much of a crypto asset you send. So the more you send, the more intense and celebratory the confetti becomes. While this may seem just like a light and playful feature, which it is, the real importance here is that another human being took the time, took the energy, took the effort to create something that they felt they wanted to see within Internet Money, submitted it to the team, and we integrated it as a feature for the community by the community. We at Internet Money truly believe in the principle, by the people, for the people, at every level in which we do things. So again, thank you, Dan Hepworth, and thank you to every community developer who writes code and contributes to Internet Money. My name is KG, and until next time, peace.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. This internet money.